Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy new year if this is the first that you've come to my channel ever, and if you are one of my subscribers, welcome back and happy new year to you. May you have the most prosperous and successful and healthy new year ever. So okay guys, let's get started on my late night snack. What we have here in our plate, I've already grilled it on my grill, which is turkey bacon, which I've sliced in half. We've got French baguette bread, and we have some Monterey Jack cheese, romaine lettuce. We have an olive for on top, of course, and then we have cherry tomatoes. Let's see if I can bring that up to you a little bit. There it is, a little bit better. So that's what we have that's going on this little late night snack. Our grill has already been brushed down with olive oil. So let's put our cheese on, and let's put our bacon, our turkey bacon, and let us put our cherry tomatoes on. I don't think we'll be able to use all of them, but we have enough. And let's put our lettuce across here, and we'll put the next layer of cheese up there, and then we shall put this here, and then voila, we're gonna put this on our grill. Now we're going to close our grill. Let's see. Our bread wants to slide off. Oh! Doesn't want to close. And basically it's due to the tomatoes. There we go. Let's press that down. Let's see if it's going to cooperate. Alright, it's gone as far as it will go. And we're putting it on medium heat. As long as it can grill on both sides and our cheese is melted, it's gonna be just fine. I need to put on my glasses, guys, because yours truly can't see. Okay. Yeah. It is hot. Yep, it's getting hot. And of course, our sandwich itself is all the way down here, but it is still under the grilling process. So we're good. We're good. There it is. I hear it sizzling. So we're fine. So this is one of our late night snacks, guys, and I think I have 1 or 2 videos of a late night snack, and you know, it's just something real quick, fast, that you can have like right away. Although the health experts are telling us we should not eat after 7 p.m. when we want to lose weight. But we all know that's not realistic, because as you sit around and you're watching a television show or something like that, you know, you get hungry and hey, you want a little snack. So this is like a quick late night snack. When I say late, maybe 9, yeah, like 9, 10 o'clock, the latest in any event. That means you're going to stay up at least until 1 o'clock so that this can digest. You don't want to eat this and then run to bed. No. Oh yeah, it's coming out good. And it smells good as well. So we will soon lift the top because our cheese is melting. It's a very sunny day, although the snow is outside. So this would be a nice snack for any day. And we have an olive. And there we have it. Our late night snack. So guys, thank you all for watching. I appreciate every last one of you. And if it's your first time on this channel, please visit often, but subscribe, comment, and share out the video. So thank you guys. Until I